Skunk 72, Southern California. I'm rolling today to my every like 3 to 4 month trip to the dentist. I know if y'all watched in the past, I always vlog when I'm heading over there. It's kind of like work, somewhere I don't want to go, so I make it fun by riding and vlogging. God damn, I thought she was going to turn in front of me. So if you watched yesterday's video, you'll see the start that I got off to by taking off, turned on my auto recorder, did my time clapper to line up my audio video, and forgot to turn the camera on. And already today I'm off to, yeah, not as bad of a start, but totally forgot to grab my sunglasses, which that I think will survive since I have a dark tinted visor on. For some reason last night when I was riding home, got on the freeway and my visor wouldn't stay open again. And you know, I mentioned that I forgot to bring my clear visor with me. I was just going to ride home with the visor open. No big deal. You know, it's kind of a big deal when the visor won't stay open. So I'm going to try what I did last time, just making that little adjustment, see if that'll fix it. So that jacket I was looking for yesterday, the First Classics Top Performer that my Harley store was back ordered on, and I went to Top Rocker just because they were listed on the First Manufacturing website as a dealer. Well, I got there and they told me that they don't carry anything that's not Harley anymore. And then she tried to tell me why I should spend $600 on a Harley jacket instead of $280 on the First Classics. Which, you know, I'm not going to fault her for trying to make a sale, but you're never going to convince me that the Harley jacket is so much better quality that it's acceptable to be double the price. There's just no way. Yeah, they're nice jackets, but as much as I love Harley, I got a bunch of Harley t-shirts. I really don't want to be a rolling billboard for Harley. I don't want a big Harley logo on the back of my jacket. But on the upside, I did find the jacket I was looking for on Amazon Prime. Same price, and since I have Prime membership, it was free shipping, and it'll be here on Sunday. And they had one left in my size. And from what I've been told, that's like First Manufacturing's most popular jacket that they make. So the girl tried to tell me that the Harley jacket has this triple venting system that you were not going to get on the First Classics jacket, and I didn't bother telling her that the Top Performer actually has a triple venting system, and from what I've read on all the reviews, it works like a champ. And there's people that say they wear it in like 90-degree weather. A full leather jacket and the venting keeps them cool as long as they're moving. I don't like to wear something that heavy when it's warm out. I get hot really easy. So my jacket will be here soon, and hopefully we'll have some cool days that I can go out and test it out and see if I like it. I might pull some of the armor out of my textile jacket, throw it in there, because it does have the armor pockets. Well, another dentist appointment in the books and over with. Thank God. Like I said before, they beat me up a little bit there, but it's because of the problems that I had with the infection and surgery I had to have and all that. But they're awesome. They love that office. So when I walk out and turn music on, when I'm about to go ride somewhere. Should I take it as a good omen or a bad omen when the first song that comes on is Don't Fear the Reaper? I don't know if good omen, don't fear the Reaper because you're not going to see him today, or don't fear the Reaper, it's only death, it ain't so bad. I don't know how to take it. Should I be nervous? Should I, like, not ride when that happens? I don't know what to do. So I got one last thing I'm going to talk about before I call it quits and keep this one kind of short since I'm actually vlogging 2 days in a row. I've been thinking about the fact that I know Dig and Hound made a comment that some people actually are shocked that he is an emergency room nurse and rides a motorcycle. And it's funny because I get the same thing working in emergency services. No, I can't believe you ride a motorcycle after all you've seen. And what's hilarious about it, well, first of all, you'd be surprised at the things that people that work in emergency services do with their off time that could be considered dangerous, because a lot of us do crazy shit in our off time. But the other thing is when they mention that, oh, after all you've seen, you ride a motorcycle, that's so dangerous. You know what? I've seen people. Well, let's not even start there. Let's start with the fact that I've responded to a lot more bad car accidents than motorcycle accidents. I still drive my car to work when I need to. Alright, so I'm sure all of you drive your cars still that, are afraid to ride a motorcycle or feel it's too dangerous, which is fine. If it's not for you, it's not for you. Not a big deal. But I've also seen people die because they tripped over a cardboard box in their house and hit their head, causing a brain bleed. Death comes in many forms, people. It's your time, it's your time. It don't matter if you stay home and try and protect yourself or not. It's going to happen when your number is up. So the way I see it is, I'm going to go out, I'm going to ride my motorcycle, I'm going to have fun, I'm going to live my life. People in emergency services also go through a lot of, we'll just say a lot of stuff. The stuff that you see, the stuff that you have to deal with on a daily basis. And we all have to find a way to let it go and leave it behind. Typically when I'm out on a ride, that's where I forget about everything. And it all goes away, nothing bothers me. Except for right now, because obviously I'm talking about it, so I am thinking about work stuff. But, that's it. That's all I had to say about it. And live your life and have fun. Don't live life in fear. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and say rubber side down, shiny side up, stay safe everybody, and I'll talk to you next time.